guys, happy Sunday. Hopefully you are having a wonderful day and just having a great weekend and just being able to get recharged and re-energized for the week ahead. So this video, I wanted to kind of do a wrap up of what I was sharing last week, which was all about sleep. I want to give just a few more ideas and thoughts and maybe a few more books that that are really helpful in regards to improving our sleep. We all know how important sleep is for us. It affects us mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, financially, and especially relationally. We all know if we haven't gotten much sleep, we're a little less patient, less kind, less gentle with our family, our coworkers, the kids, things like that. So I just wanted to just kind of do a wrap up from last week, but just again, give a few more tips of what we need to be able to get some proper rest. So last week I shared about sleep habits, sleep routines. If you get a chance, check out those posts and a few videos that I shared. I think a couple of things that are really big to focus on for a lot of us is electronics. I don't know about you, but this one is one that I'm challenging myself with. Is the time before I need to go to sleep is when am I shutting down my cell phone or getting off the computer? They definitely say at least 30 to 60 minutes before you need to go to sleep is to shut down any electronics that you're using. Just that blue light can really keep us a little bit more alert and active in our minds, just going and things like that. So it's important to kind of shut down any type of electronics 30 to 60 minutes before we go to bed. Caffeine. All right. I don't know about you, but I definitely love my coffee. But this is a big one. We all know that caffeine does affect the sleep that we get. And they say if you can try to shut off coffee or caffeine, energy drinks, teas, things like that, at least 4 to 6 hours, maybe even 8 hours before you need to unwind and go to sleep. It's really important. We all know that Starbucks, they're getting their Christmas drinks out, and trust me, I'm so excited about them. But what time of day are we drinking our coffee? What type of caffeine are we having? Maybe switching that to like a decaf coffee or a half decaf. Just reducing a little bit of caffeine does improve our sleep. Having a sleep routine, just like little kids and babies, they kind of have like a sleep routine. Well, I really think that adults need those too. And so figuring out what is the best time of night or that I need to unwind and go to sleep, but also, what time am I getting up? For me, I usually try to focus on going to bed around 10 o'clock, getting up 6-ish, 6:30 is kind of my goal. So I try to start winding down definitely by like 9 o'clock. And so those are a few things that have helped me. Another few ideas is exercise, making sure we're getting the adequate exercise throughout the day and movement. If you have a sit down job, or just not getting the exercise that's needed, maybe make it a goal of getting 30 minutes of walking or going to the gym, do a dance class, getting some strength training in, go on a hike or something like that, that just will get you that just energy out from the day and just being able to get the proper rest that's needed. A few things that I really wanted to focus on tonight was just the mindset and maybe some anxiousness or worries that a lot of people are struggling with before they go to sleep. Like I said, I heard so many people last week just talking about, I couldn't sleep, I was up all night, my sleep is horrible, I'm so tired, and it really made me concerned. I mean, just what it does to our bodies and just our mindsets and being able to focus at work and all of those kind of things. So if you're finding yourself having kind of a more anxiousness at night or worries or just a racing mind, I know for me, I definitely at night, I'm just overthinking. I'm just thinking about my day or even thinking about the next day of all the things that I need to do. So a few things that have helped me is taking at least 10 to 15 minutes and journaling. That is huge. So I have a journal. Let's see, where is it? That is right next to my bed at night. And so I will pull this out and journal. maybe things that are going on in life, maybe some worries, just some thoughts that I'm thinking about, just maybe just life in general of just some challenges maybe that are maybe keeping me up at night. But something else that I like to do when I'm journaling is having some time of thankfulness. What am I thankful for the day, in life, and just thankfulness with the Lord? What is He doing in my life? What is He doing in other people's life? Things like that. So the month of Thanksgiving, a lot of us, we all think about Thanksgiving and gratitude and what we're thankful for. But I challenge you, even after Thanksgiving, maybe implement journaling at night, writing down what you're thankful for. It really does change your mindset into a positive one, which brings you into a greater sense of peace. Peace is so important when we're trying to relax and go to sleep. So like I said, we've been kind of talking about like anxiousness and anxieties, but I wanted to share just a couple of books that have been helpful for me. The one that I love is Be Anxious for Nothing. It's from Joyce Myers. She has a lot of really great tools and wisdom and encouragement in regards to anxiety. So if you get a chance, check out this book. You can get it at Amazon, the library, bookstores, things like that. But this is a really, really great one. Another thing that I try to do, obviously, when I'm anxious is turning my anxieties and worries into prayers, releasing those anxieties and giving them off to God. If it's a need, a want, I'm worried about a family member, something that's going on at work, whatever that is, just turning that into a prayer and then watching and seeing how God delivers and answers those prayers. This really great book, I actually got it from a friend. It's called Prayers for Emotional Wholeness. This book focuses on pretty much everything, every season, every challenge, anything and everything that's going on in life. So if you get a chance, check out this book. It could be finances, if it's grief, if you have lost a loved one, cancer, if you have gone through just relational issues. But this book is really, really great. Just turning their anxieties into prayers. Anyways, I just wanted to share a few of those tidbits. One other thing that I definitely try to do is maybe read my devotional. It's called Jesus Always. This is a really great one. They also have the Jesus Calling. That one is a really great one. But anyways, I just wanted to share again just a few tips that help with sleep this last week and tonight. If you get a chance, maybe just write down maybe a few goals that you have, few thoughts, few ideas, just some ways that you want to challenge yourself in regards to sleep habits, sleep routines, caffeine, electronics, journaling, changing your anxieties into prayer, all of those types of tips. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week next week. But my biggest thing is I'm just praying for you guys, and I just really do pray that you guys get some better sleep and hope you just have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.